After submitting a job observation, you have the opportunity, if it needs follow-up or corrective actions, to actually initiate a corrective action process. Scroll to the bottom of any submitted observation, and you will find a corrective action button. Add corrective action. Let's click it. Automatically, it populates the division and project from the previously submitted observation. Now you get to choose whether or not the issue was resolved. If you choose resolved, the system will only send an email stating that something was fixed or does not require follow-up, but it will still notify the person that you assign it to. If you click not resolve, the system will essentially tell the person that it's not resolved, and it will remind them every 24 hours until they mark the issue as resolved. I'm going to choose resolved. I can write a comment. Let's say I'm writing to myself, Chris, please fix this immediately. I'm going to assign it to myself. These three drop-down tabs are pretty self-explanatory, but a brief explanation is necessary. Recipients are individuals that will receive the corrective action and are assigned the corrective action. In other words, they're the ones held accountable. The carbon copy recipients are supervisors or need-to-know parties that are copied but not assigned the corrective action. And if you want to simply quickly email a subcontractor, you can use this drop-down box. All the drop-down boxes look exactly the same, so I'm just going to choose recipients for now. The system asked me to select users. I'm going to choose Chris Morgan because that's who I am. I'm going to assign it to myself, and as you can see, it's added there. And if I have any other email addresses I want to add, I can very quickly type them in here. And the system will add those or email the corrective action to the additional emails. If you've done this in the past, all additional emails can be found easily in the system email addresses box. And like I said, the carbon copy recipients and subcontractors looks exactly the same. I'm going to submit the corrective action, and it will automatically email this Chris Morgan guy that he has a corrective action and he needs to handle it. In addition to that, the corrective action is now associated to the job observation and can be tracked every 24 hours and analyzed on how quickly it takes to fix it. This concludes the tutorial for conducting a corrective action, and let's see you on the next one.